The benefits of intermittent fasting for your brain. Now, when I talk about intermittent fasting, I'm talking about an 18-6 schedule. Now, you have to do it at least for 18 hours, meaning you have to fast for 18 hours. So what exactly is an 18-6 schedule? That means that you don't eat any food for 18 hours. So you can eat at noon and then you can eat at 6. This would be an 18-6 schedule. There has to be at least an 18-hour fast for you to receive these 7 top benefits of intermittent fasting for your brain. Number 1 is intermittent fasting causes autophagy. That's just a fancy word for basically the Pac-Man's in your brain, eats all the debris and gets rid of all the junk in your brain. Number 2 is intermittent fasting improves your memory. Number 3, it improves your mood. Number 4 is intermittent fasting decreases your global inflammation and also your brain inflammation. Number 5 is intermittent fasting decreases your sugar levels, decreases your insulin levels, and saves your brain. Number 6 is it decreases your blood pressure, intermittent fasting. And number 7, you're going to burn excess fat by intermittent fasting. If you've enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.